Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. My name is Kenny.
And I'm Michelle.
And today we are excited because we're going to try this viral TikTok video pasta that has been going everywhere. The only way you could have missed it is if you're living under a rock. It's called the tomato feta cheese pasta.
Yummy.
Yes, we're excited to try this. I think it started off in Finland where they were sold out of the feta cheese because of what they were making this pasta with. And yeah, it's made its way to the States. We ran to how many stores today to try to find all this?
A few.
We did at least 4 stores?
Yes.
At least 4 stores to try to find it, and guess what? We still wasn't able to find exactly what we need. So
the block feta, but we do have
the crumbles. So
it's the same.
Yes, actually it's probably a little easier because we ain't gotta wait for it to completely melt because it's already in crumbles. So we just, I think the recipe that we've been looking at, it called for 8 ounces, so we just bought 2 4-ounce crumbles already. We have a little bit of olive oil. We have some chili flakes, some basil for the topping after it's done. And Michelle wanted a little garlic in hers for the seasonings. And then we have some black pepper, some oregano leaves, the cherry or the grape tomatoes, a bit of salt. And then we're gonna try, I guess, you can try any kind of pasta you want, but we're gonna try rotini tonight. So just to shake it up a little bit because we've seen bow tie, we've seen elbow, so we want to try rotini. So if you're ready, Michelle, let's get started.
Let's get started.
All right, so the first thing we need to do is pour a little bit of olive oil at the bottom of the pan. You want to do it? Or you go? Okay. You want me to do it? Or
I can do it.
Just kind of drizzle it at an angle. Gotta take that.
I gotta take this off. Okay.
And while she's doing that, I'm gonna help prepare the tomatoes. We're gonna need 2 cups of tomatoes. Just a little bit more.
A little bit more?
Yeah, make sure the bottom is covered.
You want me to swish it around?
Yeah, you can. Or no, because we're going to start with tomatoes.
So do a little more?
No, we're good. We're good. Alrighty, and then we can just, like I said, we're going to need 2 cups of tomatoes. Just throw them all in for good measure, huh?
Right.
Yep, that's what we're doing. We're gonna throw them all in there. There's just a few left, so.
Come on, tomatoes. Yes. Make your debut.
Yes, exactly. Let's see what this pasta is all about. All right, Michelle, you want to stir or you want me to stir?
Okay, I will go ahead and stir.
Okay.
You want to evenly coat the tomatoes and the olive oil, you guys. It smells yummy already, actually.
Okay.
Smells good. That mixture together smells real good.
Okay. Alright, so we're going to just put a little salt and pepper.
Yes, yum.
Sprinkle. Not going to put too much salt. And then we're going to put a little bit of pepper. You want to stir that again, Michelle?
Sure.
While she's doing
this smells so good, you guys. Honestly, I'm not even just saying it smells good, this combination together.
Alright, and so then we're gonna, exactly.
Make a little space in the center for the feta.
I love the way this feta is smelling. It's gonna be
easy.
Yeah, yes, an easy weeknight meal. Yes, quick and easy.
Quick and easy.
Got it? And then we're gonna take the olive oil and spread a little bit more on top of it. Just a little bit on the cheese.
Okay, so it doesn't burn.
Yes. And then we're gonna put some chili flakes and oregano in here.
This is a really simple,
easy dish.
Yes.
Alrighty, and then we're gonna put a little bit of chili flakes, and you can do this however you like. We're just putting seasonings because we like it.
Yes, exactly. Yes. I like stuff to be seasoned.
Exactly. Alright, so we're not
good.
Put too much of that. And we're gonna let our oven heat up to 400. It's almost there. And once we put that in the oven, we're gonna let it roast the tomatoes with the feta cheese for about 30 minutes. Okay. And then and in the meantime, we're gonna be boiling our pasta as well. You need about 12 ounces of your pasta. You can just read the directions on the back of the pasta box, but I'm gonna put about 12 ounces of this, and then I'm gonna salt the water so it can just give it just that extra flavor.
Yeah.
In the meantime, we'll come back and we will be ready to actually show them the finished product.
I'm ready. This was quick, simple, easy, and I love it.
Yes.
And are we gonna cover this, or are we gonna just?
Nope.
Okay, so we don't cover this. Just put it in the oven
and let it roast the tomatoes for about 30 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna be ready for the finished product. Michelle, these are one of your favorite projects. The easy, simple, the quick.
Easy, simple, and quick. Oh, we can't forget the garlic.
Yes, I'm glad I saw that. So you can just put a couple in there.
Just put a couple in there.
Just to roast it.
It smells so fresh. It smells yummy.
Yes. Alrighty.
And
okay, now we're done.
There we go.
Alrighty.
Garlic is good for you.
And as soon as this oven turns on to...
It looks yummy already.
It smells yummy too.
It does.
And then we're going to top it with basil when we come back.
Okay.
Alrighty, so we got 5 more degrees. We're going to take this spoon out.
Look how yummy this is.
Yes. You got it?
Yep.
Alrighty. Alright, you guys, we are back. We've got our feta and tomatoes already ready. We're going to bring it over from the stove. And this is what it looks like once it come out.
Yummy.
So, you want to do the honors and start stirring, Michelle?
Sure. Oh, it smells so good. It almost kind of smells like an authentic Italian restaurant. It smells so good. Oh, it will also be good to dip like some bread in.
This is true. Oh, that's hot. Make sure you're we ain't trying to burn our fingers, Michelle.
You're right.
You want to hold on to this?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and dump the pasta in there. We've already strained our pasta. So I'm just going to put a little bit at a time.
It smells so good, you guys. I wish it was like a video. What is it called? A smell video.
It can literally come through the
screen. It smells so good. Oh, is that good?
So you want to put a little basil just for the topping? Just a little bit more color.
Nice. That looks so good.
Yes, it does. A little bit more?
Yes, why not?
Okay.
Add some green to it.
Yes. Alright, and that is it, you guys. Alright, Michelle, you ready to try this taste test?
I am ready.
Alrighty, let's see what we're working with. You want to pass me a fork from the side? Alrighty. And here we go. It's a little hot.
Yes, straight from the oven, you guys. I don't want to burn my tongue.
Not bad.
Nice.
What do you think?
Good.
Yeah, I actually like it. The feta gives it like a picture right here. You didn't taste it? Oh, you didn't feel it? Really?
Maybe I didn't get that much. That could have been the reason.
Okay. Well, anyway, thank you guys for hanging out with us with another Kimmy and Michelle coming to you from the kitchen.
Amateur.
Yes.
Hour.
Amateur hour, and yeah, what she said. Anyway, if you would like to see or want to make suggestions for us to try something else, just leave it in the description box below. I'm sorry, in the comment section below. And until the next time, we will see you guys. And Michelle, hit them with the script.
Don't forget to thumbs up, like,
subscribe,
turn on your notification button.
Yes, and
comment
and
share below and share.
Yes, what she said. All right, anyway, guys, we will see you on the next video. Bye.